So what is prompt engineering? What is prompt engineering? And I always like to ask now, the mindset after using AI so long is just to go ask ChatGPT itself, what is prompt engineering? And we're going to do that right here. So it can tell us what it is. I thought it was the best place to be able to do that. So what is prompt engineering? Let's go over here and let's ask ChatGPT what prompt engineering is. And as you can see, it refers to the process of designing and creating prompts that can be used to generate language text using AI language models such as GPT-3. A prompt is a starting point or a set of instructions that helps the language model generate text that is relevant to a particular task or context. So that might just go, wow, that might be the way. That's just a lot. Well, what it's saying is it has to do with prompts, creating prompts that go into the AI tool to reflect the output that you want and making sure that the architecture, the buildup, the structure of those words are sound so you can get the results that you want. Now, prompt engineering involves selecting the appropriate inputs, formatting them, adding context to generic specific output. It also includes designing prompts that are clear and concise, leveraging prior knowledge to ensure they align with the desired outcome. See, that's huge, the desired outcome. And this is huge because you could just spend all your time dilly-dallying without having the right outcome because you just didn't put in the right prompt. Okay, now desired outcome and fine-tuning them. Fine-tuning, keep that word in mind, fine-tuning them to achieve optimal results because it's a fine-tuning process. It's not a one and done all process, right? No. So the effectiveness of prompt engineering lies in its ability to guide the language model towards generating high quality text that aligns with particular context. Don't forget the context, application, or goal. The bottom line, that might have been a lot of gibberish, but the things to consider is to note that it's an input and output relationship. There's an input and an output relationship when it comes to that. Based on your input is what's going to determine the output. There's a common saying in the computer world, garbage in, garbage out. It's the same. So note the input and output relationship that this has. Note the wording and structure of prompts. It's about words and it's about the structure. And then note the adjustment of prompts. You have to adjust, make adjustments. And most importantly, it's a collaborative work as an assistant. Once you have it in your mindset that this is like an assistant, you start talking to it like an assistant that's just in your next office right here, right? Now, going on the computer, you might not have that mindset, but that is the frame of mind, just as a human assistant, and you have to communicate with that in mind. Because if you're going to send a task to your assistant, it has to be clear or your assistant's going to do garbage. And it's collaborative. Like you might send it to your assistant. They send it back like, I don't understand. Send it before you get the final result. So it is a collaborative experience. It's not a one and done experience.